My name is Toghrul Asadzade. I'm a student of Kharkiv Polytechnical University. I would like to express my great thanks to my department, Computer Engineering and Programming, for all these 4 years of study. I learned a lot of things from my teachers, and I started work on my specialty in Canadian company SMTP. This company is part of the Davis Holding. For all 4 years of study, I would like to thank the deputy head of department for the work with foreign students, Олена Петрівна Черних. On the defense of diploma work, I want to express special gratitude of the high professionalism of members of the commission, the head of department Заковоротный Alexander, Professor Gavrilenko Svetlana, Professor Leonov Sergey. Thank you.